Good morning, students. Are we all ready for today's session? Even I am too. So let's begin the day. Today we will do lesson 5 of Pandit Grammar book. And what is the heading? The topic of the day is nouns, gender. The moment I say the word gender, what are the two words that come to your mind? Male and female. These are the two words that come to your mind. Yes? Now, what is the word? What is the name given to the male? It is masculine. The name of the gender is masculine if I'm talking about males. But if I'm talking about females, what it is called? What is the gender name? It is feminine. It is feminine. Let's understand it better with the help of example. If I say I'm talking about father as an example, what is the feminine of father? It's mother. We all know. Okay. If I say peacock, what is the feminine? It's female. It's female. Let's take one more example. If I say poet, what is the feminine of poet? Poetess. It is poetess. So this way we have divided the gender into two. One is masculine and one is feminine. Yes? So are there more genders beside masculine and feminine? Are there any more genders? Okay. First, we have discussed about masculine, right? Second, we have discussed about feminine, right? Now, what is something which is common? It's common gender. Now, the third one is common gender. Yes? Let's take example related to you. If I say student, student can be a boy, student can be a girl. So, can I say student as a common noun? Can I say? Yes, I can say student is a common noun. What about teacher? Teacher can be male, teacher can be female. So, even teacher can be a common noun. Right? These are the examples. Okay? One more example. Shall we take one more example? Okay. If I take doctor, if I say, can it be a common noun? Yes. Even ladies are doctor and even gents are doctor. Yes. So both male and female come in these categories. So what do we say? These all are common noun. Okay? Is there any other gender which we have to define? Any other? This is masculine gender, feminine, common. Now the fourth one is neuter. It is neuter. Can we think about neuter? Neuter. Have you heard word neutral? Have you heard this word neutral? Neutral means who is neither of the side. Yes? Who is neither of the side, that is called neutral. So from this word we can remember this neuter gender. Okay. What can be the neuter gender? If I say, for example, I say bus. Can I define bus as he or she? Can I say bus as a male or bus as a female? Can I say like that? No, I cannot. I cannot say it's a male or female. Then what is bus? Bus is neuter gender. Yes? Let's take one more example. Suppose I'll say chair. say chair. Chair. Can it be he or she? No. So, can we define it as male or as female? Can we say chair is he, chair is she? No, we cannot say. This is wrong. So, what we can say? Chair is neuter gender. It is a neuter gender. Yes? It is a neuter gender. So what all we learned today? We learned 4 types of genders. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Alright? So let's start with exercise A, which is on page number 25. What this exercise tells you about? This exercise is saying that there are certain words which are gender specific, which are telling you whether the word is talking about males or whether the word is talking about females. Now you have to join those words to the words which are not gender specific, which are common gender words. Alright, so you have to match gender specific. You have to match gender specific word to common gender, gender free. Okay, so now you have to match the words. Let's take an example that will give a better understanding. The first word which is given here is stewardess. It is stewardess. Now the moment I say stewardess, we can understand we're talking about female. Yes, we're talking about female. Now, what is the word from which word we cannot define whether we are talking about male or female? It will be flight attendant. The word will be flight attendant. Okay? Now, if I move to second example is talking about salesman. Salesman. If I'm talking about salesman, I'm talking about male. Yes. But if I say salesperson, salesperson could be a male and could be a female also. Yes. So, salesperson if I say. Now this salesperson could be male or female. Both could be here. Yes. So similarly, you have to correlate the words which are gender specific and which are gender free option. So match these words, do the rest of the exercise on your own. And there is an answer sheet also from which you can tally your answers. Let's move to next exercise. Now let's move to exercise B. What's exercise B saying? What is exercise B saying? Exercise B is saying that they have given certain group of words and you have to give common gender. You have to give common gender. You have to give common gender for it. Alright? Common gender name. Suppose I say the head of the company. Now if I'm talking about the head of the company could be a male or could be a female. Yes. So what can I say? Chairperson. So what I can say? Chairperson. Alright. Take one more example. What's written here? It's father and mother. If I am saying father and mother, Now which one word can define both? Which one word can define both? Parents. Yes, if I say parents, even father is included and mother is included. Alright? So similarly, write the words which are gender free. Okay, which are the common gender word. Alright? Now let's move to another exercise, which is exercise C. Exercise C is saying you have to underline gender specific words. You have to underline gender specific words. And what you have to do after that? You have to underline gender specific and you have to replace them and fill the blank with common gender word. With common gender word. So what we have to do? We have to first locate which are the gender specific words. I'll take one example for you. Alright. First one says the husband or the wife or the wife of the employees is invited to the dinner. Now, if I say the husband and wife are invited to the dinner, what is gender specific word? Husband is defining male and wife, it is defining female. Now, what could be the word which is common gender word for them? What is the word? It is spouse. S-P-O-U-S-E. Spouse. Okay? Same way, complete the other sentences. So that was about exercise A, B and C. So what you have to do, you have to try and solve these exercises first on your own, and if you find there is something which you don't know, you can take the help of the answer sheet which is attached with your worksheet. Alright? Students, that's for the day. Just take care of yourself.